request of the United States government, at 6:25 am Central Standard Time, a message to send out to phones from an unknown number. Whatever you do not open said message. The message contains a script that will make your phone overheat and explode in a radius of 20 to 30 feet. This explosion when nearby is determined to cause instant death and or poisoning from the battery. If you have a phone that is capable of sending or receiving messages, get it as far away from you and your home as possible. All phones will explode within an hour or 3 hours when received. Do not try to crush the phone. It will result of it exploding immediately. Police officers are going home to home asking for phones to take to an undisclosed location. If you received the message and did not open it, just power down your phone. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, at 10:25 am Central Standard Time. Broadcasts were hijacked by someone unknown. The broadcast showed a photo of what seems to be a resident named Dennis C. Barlow. We've determined that he is the culprit that sent out scripts to phones that would make them explode. If you have any information about Dennis C. Barlow's whereabouts, call 911. Some phones are still exploding. If you received a message from an unknown number, get it as far away from you immediately.
An administrative message, at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, the last phone bomb detonated. This declares an all clear for the United States. It is safe to return to regular activities related to cell phones, but we recommend disabling messages from unknown numbers for a while. We can now return to regular programming. This was your emergency alert system here to protect, signing off.